Like that funny. I mean, I think it's funny the where we kind of exhale and stretch our tongue out and make that sound, Simha Garjasan. Like, how is something like that beneficial?
Such a powerful pose. It looks so simple. I don't think I'll be able to do justice to it in 1 minute, but I will try. First off, let's take the aesthetics of it, what it does to your body aesthetics. It is supposed to keep you wrinkle free because of the tension in the face muscles that it cultivates. And then you relax it. It also releases the emotional tension that your face holds. It releases the chest and this part of the body so that if you are anxious and tense, it releases that tension from the chest region, so facilitates the breathing that makes you look good. And of course, then it is supposed to be very, very good for the voice, to keep the voice sweet and young. And so people who have jobs that need them to use their voice a lot, they could practice this longer. And also it is an ENT pose in the sense that it takes care of the ear, nose, throat region, and any ailments. It is preventive and curative in this area. And apart from that, it is also calms the brain, because if you look between the eyebrows, it has this effect of the Shambhavi mudra, so it calms your mind and releases anger. Now, anger is, we just see it as a very casual thing or we dismiss it, but we all have triggers. We all have childhood traumas, and we all carry, we can't always say no, and we also have jobs where we can't speak up, not all the time. So all of that which remains in the body is released. Anger and anxiety is released with regular practice of this. And it is one of those poses that if you have high fever, you can use it to bring the fever down, and if you have bad cold, you can also use it to release that congestion. Same thing, interestingly, it has this kind of a toggle effect on blood pressure also. If you have high BP, you can use it to lower your BP. If you have low BP, you can use it to, normalize your blood pressure levels. And more and more of, we probably have to do another episode to complete the discussing the benefits of this practice.